exploring with Ed and Edna in the wild.
Welcome to the jungle, Ed. A kingdom for wild animals.
Bouncing bananas! Look at that!
That, Ed, is a gorilla.
I've read about them in stories. Oops, I think she's seen us.
She's okay, Ed. Just relaxing in the treetops.
And having a bite while she's at it.
Why not? The food's good, the view's excellent. Life couldn't be better for her.
There's a lot to munch round here.
Gorillas spend most of the morning and evening eating.
That's half the day gone on food.
It takes a lot to fill their stomachs. Leaves, branches, stems and fruits for breakfast, lunch and dinner.
What a life! Eating and I suppose snoozing in between.
Sure, it's hard work eating, so naturally they want to finish off by sleeping. Easy does it. Here we are.
Look, one's right behind us.
Pay attention, Ed. Time for some basic gorilla information.
What was that?
What?
It's...
Oh, hello. They're just exploring, Ed.
Hi, fellas.
Gorillas, not your average monkey. Certainly the largest primate around. They live in forests, sleep in nests, interact with one another, and have human-like fingerprints. Come on, let's get some fresh air.
Are you telling me gorillas are close to humans?
Very. Just like chimpanzees, we have a lot in common.
Wow! Look at the size of those arms.
Their arms are actually longer than their legs.
Now that's weird.
Not really. Think about it. They swing around and climb mainly with their arms.
Right, and we move around mostly on our legs.
Nature's smarter than you think, Ed. Look at that face, full of expression.
And feet almost like hands.
Very useful if you're a gorilla.
Hey! Hi, I'm Ed, and this is Eppa.
Ed! Let's not interrupt their meal. It's bad manners. Come along.
Bye! Whoa! Ta-da!
Very impressive. Look, there's one.
And guess what? She's eating. Surprise, surprise, another one eating. What's this chap up to? Bouncing bananas!
Just playing, Ed. Those two, however, are sizing each other up.
I thought they were peaceful characters.
Well, every once in a while they do have a little argument, like most families.
Now this is what I call monkeying around. Hey, Eppa! Onwards and upwards.
Oh dear, here we go again.
It's a treetop circus. Ah! Eppa, where are you?
I don't know about you, Pipship, but I think this could get out of hand.
I'm at the top of the world.
Careful, Ed, you're not an acrobat.
This is so easy. One arm in front of the other. Woohoo! Eppa, I'm flying! Whoa! Eppa!
What goes up must come down.
I had it under control.
No, you didn't. Just don't try that again. You could hurt yourself.
Hey, look at that. He's got a silver back.
That's why he's called a silverback.
Really?
Yes.
He looks serious.
Well, he's the main man of the jungle, so he has big responsibilities. Now let's find a spot to land. Ed, no more antics, you hear? Both feet on the tree at all times.
Aye, aye. Hey, look. I don't know how she stays balanced.
With her strength and agility. She's been doing it her whole life.
Even so, look at the size of her and the size of that branch.
The trees are very supple, just like their inhabitants.
Look at that. Not a care in the world.
Relaxation's the key. Oh, hello. We were just leaving.
On our way, right away.
Sounds like our cue to go, Ed.
What do you think's going on?
I don't think it's anything we're doing. Look, it's a silverback.
Oh, fantastic. Come on, Eppa. Looks like a family picnic.
probably is. One silverback, several females, and their kids.
Look at that chap playing the drums.
Play is an important part of a young gorilla's development.
I'd like to get a photo of that little one.
Let's keep us and the gorillas separate, okay?
Too late. Perfect.
Ed, I'm not going to jump in and save you this time.
Hey there, my name's Ed. Ed, your friend. And you are just amazing. Bouncing bananas, what was that?
Bouncing bananas indeed. They're tearing down the trees.
Why?
For food, of course. Why else? Come in, Pipship, come in. It's time to say goodbye before we get the same treatment as they're giving the trees.
He's not going to harm us.
But his silverback daddy might.
Look how cute he is.
Oh, he is, isn't he? You are, aren't you? So adorable. Cute, 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 cute.
Okay, Effa. I think you've had enough jungle air for one day.
Bye-bye now.
Cheers. Hang tight.
Very sweet.
I'm ready for the next adventure.
You can say that again.
Click on the videos above to see more amazing animals. And be sure to subscribe.